Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Riley, and I'm on a journey to become a better urban sketcher with the help of AI. So if you watched my last video, you would have seen that AI gave me some feedback on a piece of artwork that I did, and what it came back with was that you need to work on your perspective. So I decided to actually do something about it, and welcome to my part one of three-part series where we're going to be looking into perspective, going through the fundamentals, and ultimately learning how to use this in our day-to-day sketches. Today, we're tackling 1-point perspective. In my second video, we'll be tackling 2-point, and in my third video, we'll be tackling our 3-point perspective, which is the final boss. So with that being said, let's get into it. What is 1-point perspective? In its simplest terms, it's a drawing technique where all the parallel lines converge into 1 point on the horizon. Think of like standing on the middle of the road or in a hallway, and all the lockers or the sides of the road slowly converge further away from you up to 1 point. So every 1-point perspective drawing starts with two things: a horizon line, which represents your eye level, and a vanishing point where all the receding lines will meet. So now that you understand the fundamentals, let's stop talking and start practicing. So I'm going to ask, what are 3 effective drills I can practice to improve my 1-point perspective drawing skills? And look at this, AI suggests basic box drawing, creating a road, and building a perspective grid like a tiled floor. So let's start with drill number 1, which is the basic box. We have a horizon line, a vanishing point. Draw a square for the front face. Connect each corner back to the vanishing point. Pick your depth and draw the back face. See this? Boxes above the horizon line show the bottom, and boxes below show the top. Drill number 2 is the road exercise. Horizon line. Vanishing point. 2 lines from the bottom corners converging up. That's your road. So we're going to add some road marks, and they're going to be some horizontal lines that get closer as they recede. Tip here is to use a diagonal through the midpoint to find the next spacing. It ends up being perfect every time. So we're also going to throw in some telephone poles. In reality, they're the same height, but they're getting smaller as they recede. So the tops and bottoms point to the vanishing point. So drill number 3 is the perspective grid. Vanishing point, 1 square in the foreground. Connect the corners to the vanishing point. So you're going to find the center line of this box. What you're going to do is draw a diagonal through the box. Now connect the center point to the vanishing point. Wherever this receding line hits the furthest away from you line of the square, you're just going to make a point, and you're going to draw a diagonal line from here through this to where it hits the receding line. Now you're just going to draw a horizontal line at this point. Continue to do this all the way back to the vanishing point. So now what we've done is we've created a series of tiles or squares that are the exact same size, receding away from you. So we can also go horizontally with this. Do the same thing we did here, but on the side face. And all we have to do is just draw a horizontal line straight across. So now for the fun part, we're going to create a finished watercolor illustration using 1-point perspective. I've decided to paint a cozy interior scene, looking down a narrow bookshop aisle. This is a perfect 1-point perspective because we're looking down the aisle with bookshelves on both sides converging to 1 point. All right, I feel confident, so we're just going to go and start practicing. that's 1 point perspective. We've covered the theory, we've worked through some drills, and we created a finished piece together. Your homework, practice those drills. Draw boxes, draw roads, draw tiles on the floor. Get comfortable using 1 point perspective, because in our second video, we're gonna be adding another one. So part 2, we will be diving into 2 point perspective, which gives us leeway into more complex drawings and understanding how to draw corners of buildings. So if you want to see parts 2 and 3 of this 3-part series, please hit that subscribe button and please drop a comment below. I would love to see some of the work that you guys have done and see what you've created. So I'll see you at the next one.